All right, today we're diving into a part of the cow that, let's be honest, most of us probably never think about. But in many cultures, it's considered an absolute delicacy. We're going way beyond the usual cuts to uncover a true culinary secret.
I mean, when you hear the word beef, what's the first thing that pops into your head? A juicy steak, right? Or maybe a perfect burger sizzling on the grill. For most of us, that's pretty much the whole story. But what if I told you one of the most flavorful parts of the animal is the one we've all been ignoring? Yeah, we're talking about a truly unexpected delicacy. You know, it's this fascinating thing you see in food cultures all over the world. Sometimes the most prized parts of an animal are the ones that get overlooked elsewhere. And today, we're putting one of those hidden gems right in the spotlight.
Because after all the butchering is done, it's not just about those prime cuts. The head itself, it's a total showstopper. In places like Indonesia, you might hear someone say, "Wenak choy," which is basically like saying, "Oh man, this is so delicious." This isn't some leftover part, it's a genuinely sought-after, mouth-watering dish.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how on earth do you actually prepare something like a cow's head? Well, let's break it down because it's a surprisingly straightforward process that transforms this, unique cut into something pretty spectacular.
The whole thing really comes down to two main stages. First, and this is absolutely the most important part, is a really thorough cleaning. Once that's taken care of, it's all about a long, slow boil with a bunch of aromatics. And this is where the magic really happens. We're talking simple flavors doing amazing work. The head is just simmered with foundational things like onion and ginger, plus some other hand-picked spices. This isn't just about cooking the meat. It's about infusing flavor deep into every single part. And the payoff for all that patience? The meat and skin become unbelievably tender. The final texture is this amazing combo of soft and satisfyingly chewy. It's a texture you just don't get from many other cuts of meat. But get this, the appeal goes way beyond just taste and texture. There are actually some surprising health benefits packed into this dish, making it a whole lot more than just a tasty meal. For starters, it is absolutely packed with protein. Just like other cuts of beef, this is fantastic for building muscle and helping your body repair itself. It's powerful, functional fuel that also just happens to be incredibly delicious. It's also a great source of iron. You know, that essential mineral our bodies need to keep our energy up and just feel good overall. So you're getting a powerful, natural boost with every single bite. Now here's another really cool benefit, the collagen. The skin and all those connective tissues are naturally loaded with it, which is amazing for healthy skin and joints. So you can think of it as a little beauty and wellness benefit built right into your dinner. So we've covered how it's made and why it's good for you. But let's get to the most important part, right? The experience of actually eating it. This is where everything comes together in what is truly a feast for the senses. The source material really puts it perfectly. It says its tempting aroma and texture will surely make you drool. And that's exactly it. Just imagine this incredible, fragrant steam coming off the plate, a mix of rich beef and warm spices like ginger and onion. Then you finally take a bite. The texture is so complex, a mix of tender meat that just melts and that satisfyingly soft skin. It's an experience that hits all your senses at once. So what's the big takeaway here? The crucial point is that cow's head isn't something to be scared of. It's a cut of meat that delivers incredible flavor, a really unique and fantastic texture, some solid nutritional perks, and it's surprisingly simple to prepare. Which, of course, brings us to the final question. After uncovering this hidden culinary gem with its rich flavor and all those surprising benefits, are you ready to give it a try? You might just discover your new favorite dish.